Hello and welcome to Take Apart Day. I guess we've been doing this about 6 or 7 years now. It's a chance for the fourth graders to spend about an hour just figuring out how things work. They have spent a lot of time in my classroom and in Julie Everett's classroom learning about simple machines and basic circuits and wiring and conductors and insulators. And so while we've been doing a lot of that in class, we've never had a chance to devote a full morning to just taking apart everything we can do. So we have vacuum cleaners, CD players, computers, cameras, everything you can imagine. And they're really just spending this whole day taking their time figuring out how every little thing works. What they tend to recognize is these complicated machines are really nothing more than just lots and lots of different simple machines. It's just a fun day for them to get messy and have a good time.